Hi, it's Walter Burns from Keller Williams City Life Realty and livingonthehudson.com. Today I'm going to discuss 10 Provost in downtown Jersey City. And 10 Provost is located at 10 Provost Street in downtown Jersey City. It is in the PowerHouse Arts District in downtown Jersey City and was built in 2018. I will show you where it is here on the map. We have on the right side, Lower Manhattan, Hudson River in the middle. And as I zoom in here on the left is downtown Jersey City, which is this area right here. I will zoom in on 10 Provost Street, which, as I mentioned, is located in the Powerhouse Arts District of downtown Jersey City right here. It is not far from Grove Street Path, which is right over here. It was built in 2018 by Toll Brothers, national builder, and it's mostly 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom layouts. The lobby to the building is actually right here on Morgan Street. It is an elevator building. There's a concierge doorman. They have a very large level of amenities in the building. You have on-site parking. You also have multiple residence lounges. So you have a residence lounge here on the top of the building, as well as one on the lower amenity level, which is the top of the parking deck. So you have the outdoor pool here, barbecue area, grill area, and then inside you have a residence lounge, large fitness center, children's playroom. Everything is Wi-Fi enabled, so you could work from down there. And you also have up here the Sky Lounge area where you can work as well and reserve that for events. The building, you are close to many things in the area. So you're not far from restaurants along Grove Street or Newark Avenue. As I mentioned, you're right by Grove Street Path. If you want to get up to Exchange Place Path, all you have to do is walk here along the waterfront to get to the Exchange Place section. They just built a Whole Foods a few blocks away here on Columbus. So that just opened in 2023. So you're not far from Whole Foods, as well as the nightlife around Grove Street and up here on Newark Avenue. On my website, Living on the Hudson, I do profile the building where you can see what's available for sale, what is sold or for rent. If you're an owner in the building, you can request a market analysis as well as see facts about the building and sign up for alerts. I will link this page down below. But if you have any further questions about 10 Provost, you can reach me anytime at walter@livingonthehudson.com or at 347-448-3766. Have a great day.